morning, this is Dalton Quigley. I'm over at Grassland Aquatics visiting. Let's take a look around. If you need any help with your pond, you need it cleaned out, you need new plants or fish, give me a call. My number is 615-715-8216. We can supply you with your koi fish. We'll come down here, pick them up, bring them, and install them in your pond. If you need plants, we can help you with that too. Like a nice little papyrus, or some of the sweet flag that we've got over here. If you give me a call, my number is 615-715-8216, Quigley's Landscaping. And I can definitely deliver some of these gorgeous plants to your pond. Clean your pond, get it set back up with the proper chemicals, fish, anything that you need. Thank you for watching. I'm Dalton Quigley, 615-715-8216, Quigley's Landscaping. Thank you.